Liverpool rules.
The active volcano.
Brilliant.
Right?
Volcano bandito.
In other words, you choose your own destiny. You need these goggles, okay? The goggles right there. Please, they're brand new, so do not put them on the gravel because they're gonna scratch. This out, the other side.
Please a little bit more of cuddling, so you all get on the picture.
Hey guys. So we're about 45 minutes outside of Leon, and we've come to Cerro Negro, which means the black volcano, to do a bit of sandboarding. I'm out of breath already because it's a 45-minute walk to the top of the volcano to slide back down again. Halfway.
Halfway?
Halfway.
Yeah, do you guys know the Liverpool rules?
Is it a video or a photo?
Video.
Shall I tell something?
Yeah, sure.
So Georgie was dying on the way up, and we only are like at half on the way, and he died almost twice, but he's holding the camera now, so he's fine.
Thanks. Here's a tree. Swiss people like trees.
So we are here at the very remote mountain, and we see the top athletes running up, crossing and dying.
On today's episode of What Animal Is This? What animal is this? Right down there is our truck. We've got a long way to Volcano board because we're still not at the top.
The volcano itself has got 5 craters, 5 craters. One main source of lava or one magma chamber, of course far down inside, of course. These were from 1850, the other one over there, 1947, and then the small ones over here on the right, 92, 95, and 99. You can see the difference between the 5 craters, From the top, the bottom, let's say 300 meters, give or take. You can go fast, you can go slow. Okay, you alone choose your own speed. Either Jonas or myself will show you how to ride down, and then it's up to you. You make up your mind. At the very end, it's flat, it's a plateau, so the board by itself stops. You don't have to brake. You can go full speed if you want to, and at the end, they literally, because it's like steep or incline, the incline, the slope, and then it's flat, so the board comes down by itself to a complete stop. You can go full gas, or slow as well. It's up to you. Nobody's forcing anybody to do anything. In other words, you choose your own destiny.
Gerritsen. And I might maybe. Well, no, I need to be on the left side, don't I?
Why?
Because then
Yeah, you should do like this and a little bit higher. Yeah, then you have a nice background.
Yeah.
Now you have to stand.
And without
Where do I stand
Tamara.
now?
Everybody.
Got it.
So we all go on the left side?
Everybody good?
Yeah.
And,
The active volcano.
Brilliant.
Right?
Tell us a volcano fact.
All the volcanoes are active here.
And how young is the youngest?
1999.
No. This one is the youngest.
And over there you can see the highest volcano of Central America.
But
No.
the last,
That's
But it's not the highest top, like
activity
active.
ac-
Activity?
the highest activity.
the last activity, no? The last active?
What's
Is
this one
yeah.
here?
Is this right? The last active?
Yeah.
Doesn't sound right to me.
I can't help with this because I was last up and they'd pretty much finished talking by the time I got there.
The goggles, they are new, so please do not put them on the ground. So you can keep them on your hands like this or somewhere, you know, in the bag even, and then but please don't put them on the ground, okay? Now before you do the sleeves or the suits, we put the bag like this. It goes under, it goes inside the suit. On the right down, we lean back, so our bags have to be free of anything, okay? So the bag always on your chest, inside the suit. And then, yalla, let's sexy up.
What? You're not the Dr. Johns anymore.
Yes, we are.
Volcano Bandito. How long is it going to take you to get down, Toby?
1 hour.
15 seconds.
15 seconds. Tilly?
14 seconds.
14 seconds. Tamara?
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Nice.
Let's see.
No, it's way nicer back here.
You're a gangbang.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stay with you guys here at the top. I'm gonna tell to all of you when to go down. Nobody goes down before I say go. You are going to sit in the very last spot, but also the center of the last spot, here. Your hands on this device. Let's call this handle. You gotta pull this strong, hard, be rough. It likes it rough. You know what I mean? Yeah, you know, okay. We pull hard, that way the nose comes up a little bit, you don't collect too much gravel on the board. Number one rule, the feet, they always go on the ground next to the board, okay? Never on the board. If you're putting on the board, you add weight to the front, so it's going to sink in and then you go sideways. To go fast, look at my feet, flat, knees bend, lean back and pull with everything you have. The key to go fast is your feet and how strong you pull back.
Like a pro. Da geht die Bockwurst. Ja, deine Füße gar nicht so. It's a new world record, I guess.
That was fun.
It was very nice. Thank you.
Good that we have Tilly with us. Oh shit.
Who's dying now?
Such a bitch. We were volcano boarding today. It was fun.
So anyway, that was volcano boarding.